2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Hi, my name is Michelle Lovelace, also known as Style by Meech. I am drinking a Stormy Valley made with Appleton Estate signature blend. Learn more about me in Sunday's Style Observer. Here are a few of the bags that I own. This is a Chanel Classic in medium. You kind of can never go wrong with this. This is the mini that you can wear as a crossbody, which I'm a crossbody kind of girl. This baby, I don't even know the name. I literally was shopping one day and the sales rep brought this out and it was about $1,400. I bought it maybe 5-6 years ago. This is also another classic. It is known as the filigree, also known as a vanity. This is also a crossbody. The cool thing about this, on the zipper, it has a CC locket and it comes with keys, so you kind of could actually lock the bag up. Then here is my holy grail. This is a Hermes Kelly. In store, I want to say this bag was around $11,000. If I possibly wanted to sell it back, I could probably sell it for around $25,000 to $30,000. Definitely a really good investment piece. This is the Denim Patch Chanel. This would be considered a flat bag. This is medium. The detailing on this bag is so sick. This would be considered vintage. The tweed, the leather, everything about this bag is super, super fun. Definitely my go-to. I paid $7,000 for it, or $7,300. This was sourced for me from Japan. And I got this about 4 years ago. And now I think it's probably pushing on 12 to 15 years old, I believe. But yeah, I really wish that they would come back out with this.